Ever wondered how to retwist dreadlocks at home and still keep them neat and fresh? Today, I'm working on my mom's beautiful dread. It's a special moment for us and I'm excited to show you how I care for her natural hair. So make sure to watch to the end for some simple tips you can use at home or anywhere.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across this video for the first time, you're welcome to the family. Do well to subscribe, hit the notification button so you get notified whenever I upload video on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to relock dread with crochet pin without gel. So my mom's hair is already washed. Sprayed water on her hair in order to make the hair soft. Then I apply my hair cream. You can use hair oil, any of your choice. So I had already bring out one roll. So use my comb to part the line to be very neat. So after bringing out one dread, I twist the root. Then I gently pull in my crochet pin through the new undergrowth and pull the lock through. So I do this repeatedly until the root is neat and firm. But make sure it's not too tight, but make sure it's firm as well. After doing the root, I continue with knitting the body. The knitting of the body of dread is very important in locks to make the dread to be very neat and your locks will come out good and nice. So make sure not to skip any part of this video as you are going to learn step by step. So when I'm done with the dread, I went ahead and applied hair mousse. It helps locks with lasting sheen. And I also applied my mom's oil sheen on her hair. And there you have it. Mom's dread are looking fresh and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who loves dreadlocks too. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of natural hair content. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more styles or tips for dreadlocks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video from Joy's Queen. Bye.